So you mentioned you strictly help people write articles for their blogs. And how does the process work? Let's say someone has a blog, or maybe they're just starting a blog. They come to you. What happens then? Like, what should they bring something? Should they have some knowledge, or just put, yeah.
Quick plug real quick. I know you bought Connor's course. If anyone wants to check it out, go to connorgillivan.com/SEO. It's got to be one of the best SEO courses out there. It's only $150. So go grab that, connorgillivan.com/SEO. But yeah, if someone comes to us and they want to work with us, go to TrioSEO.com/apply. We start off with an audit. We are picky on who we take on as clients. SEO, it's not cheap. It's a long-term investment. And we only want to take on clients that it's going to be a win for you and a win for us. Connor and I have a reputation in the entrepreneurial community, and we don't want to ruin that over anything. I mean, obviously nothing's guaranteed, but we want to take on a client that we see the opportunity and that we can crush it for. Now, there's a lot of factors there. We've turned down clients because their website isn't up to speed, or they have too many competitors in the space that are ranking on too many keywords. It would just be too hard or impossible to get there. So there's a variety of reasons that we might turn someone down. But if our team gives a thumbs up after the audit, from there, you can decide on the two services that we offer. Both of them come with the same research strategy, competitive research, and planning. But the question is, do you have your own team of writers that you trust that can hit deadlines and upload to your website? Or do you want to use our writers? If you want to use your own writers, that's the outline service. Starts at $1,500 a month. You can go to TrioSEO.com/pricing. And if you want the higher package where we actually do the writing and the uploading, that starts at $3,000 a month. Again, they both come with the same strategy and planning and research. It just depends if you have your own writers or not. So yeah, that's the starting process. We got to do an audit. We got to make sure it's a good fit. And if it's a good fit, we'd love to work with you.